Will SAP still be relevant in 2030, or will it be replaced by newer, faster, smarter tools? In a tech world evolving at lightning speed, it's a fair question. With the rise of AI, low-code platforms, blockchain, and agile SaaS tools, many wonder whether legacy enterprise systems like SAP can keep up. But SAP isn't sitting still. It's transforming. In this video, we'll explore where SAP is heading by 2030, what new skills and tools will matter most, and whether investing in SAP today is still a smart long-term move. Whether you're a beginner, an experienced consultant, or someone considering a future in enterprise tech, this is the roadmap for the next 5 years. Stay tuned till the end for future trends, real job insights, and your 2030 proof career plan. And don't forget, download the SAP Career Guide in the description if you want to stay ahead of the curve. Part 1. What will the SAP landscape look like in 2030? By 2030, SAP won't look like the SAP you know today. We're moving toward a world where S/4HANA Cloud is the default, not the future. Most companies will have either fully transitioned to SAP public or private cloud or moved on to alternative platforms. ECC will be history and on-premise systems will be rare. But this transformation won't just be technical, it will reshape how SAP professionals work. In 2030, SAP BTP, Business Technology Platform, will dominate extension, integration, and analytics work. AI-powered assistants and embedded automation will handle routine tasks like data entry, reporting, and system checks. SAP Fiori will be fully matured, with mobile-first intuitive interfaces standard across all modules. Industry-specific solutions, Industry Cloud, will replace custom developments. Integration with non-SAP systems will be faster, more standardized, and handled by citizen integrators using low-code, no-code tools. This means that the classic SAP consultant role is evolving. It's no longer enough to just configure screens or write ABAP. You'll need to think strategically, become a solution designer, integration lead, or cross-functional advisor. Part 2. Will SAP be replaced by other platforms? This question gets louder every year. Will SAP still be the market leader by 2030? Let's face it, competition is heating up. Platforms like Oracle Cloud, Workday, Salesforce, and niche ERPs like NetSuite or Odoo are gaining ground. They're fast, modern, and often cheaper to implement. But here's the reality. SAP still powers over 70% of global business transactions. It runs the supply chains of major industries: manufacturing, pharma, automotive, utilities. And unlike lightweight SaaS tools, SAP is deeply embedded in enterprise architecture. Yes, some mid-sized companies might move to smaller platforms. But large enterprises? They're doubling down on SAP, with Rise with SAP, S/4HANA Cloud, and industry-specific solutions. What's shifting is how SAP is used, not if it's used. By 2030, companies will rely on SAP as the digital core integrated with modern front-end and third-party tools. SAP consultants will need to understand multi-platform landscapes, how SAP talks to Salesforce, how BTP connects with Azure, and how to drive value across systems. The winners won't be SAP-only professionals. They'll be cross-system strategists. So, no, SAP is not going away, but the old way of working with SAP is. Part 3. What skills will SAP professionals need in 2030? The SAP consultant of 2030 looks very different from today. No longer is it enough to just know configuration steps or memorize T codes. The future demands a blended skill set, half business, half technology. Here's what will truly matter by 2030. 1. Core SAP expertise. You still need a strong foundation in modules like FI, MM, SD, PP, and others. But it's no longer just about knowing how, it's about knowing why. Functional consultants will be expected to drive business outcomes, not just configure screens. 2. BTP and extension skills. SAP Business Technology Platform. BTP is the new playground. By 2030, most custom logic, automation, and integration will run here. Low-code tools like SAP Build, CAP, Cloud Application Programming Model, and Event Mesh will be your new best friends. Third, integration mastery. SAP will never be the only system in use. Knowing how to connect SAP with APIs, SAP CPI, REST services, or event-driven architecture will be a core skill, not a bonus. Fourth, analytical thinking. With the rise of SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, embedded analytics, and AI insights, SAP consultants will be expected to interpret data, spot patterns, and make business recommendations. 5. Soft skills. Yes, still underrated, but by 2030, communication, stakeholder management, and strategic thinking will separate top-tier consultants from the average. This doesn't mean you need to know everything, but you need to go deep in one area and be fluent in others. Want a roadmap to building these skills step by step? Grab the SAP Career Guide in the description. Your shortcut to staying future-proof. Part 4. Will AI replace SAP consultants? Let's talk about the elephant in the room, artificial intelligence. With the rise of tools like SAP Joule, SAP Business AI, and generative automation, many wonder, will AI take my job as an SAP consultant? Short answer, number. But here's the full story. AI will automate tasks, not replace value. Yes, some manual processes like basic testing, documentation, or even simple config suggestions might be done faster by AI, but AI lacks context, judgment, and client understanding. The stuff that makes consultants valuable. AI will become your co-pilot. By 2030, SAP consultants who know how to use AI to speed up proposals, generate code snippets, simulate solutions, or write better specs will have a serious edge. Think of it like this. A junior consultant without AI equals slower. A junior consultant with AI equals X2 faster. A senior consultant who knows business plus AI equals unstoppable AI also means new opportunities. New roles will emerge. AI-enabled SAP advisor, prompt engineer for SAP AI, SAP X AI integration architect. So if you embrace it now, you're ahead of 90% of the field. Want to stay ahead of AI and SAP? The SAP Career Guide has a full section on how to use AI tools in your workflow. Get it in the description. Part 5. What SAP roles will be in demand by 2030? Let's look ahead. If you're planning a future-proof SAP career, which roles should you focus on? By 2030, the SAP ecosystem will still be strong, but the roles and expectations will evolve dramatically. Classic roles won't disappear, but they'll transform. Most in-demand SAP roles in 2030. 1. SAP Integration Architect with multi-cloud setups and endless APIs. Integration is king. If you can connect S/4HANA, BTP, SuccessFactors, and third-party apps, you're golden. Second SAP solution. Architect business-focused companies want consultants who understand both process plus technology. Functional experts who can map out solutions end-to-end will lead projects. Third, SAP BTP developer/extension expert, using SAP Build, CAP Cloud Application Programming, or SAP Fiori elements to extend functionality without touching core. Critical skill. Fourth, SAP data and AI specialist with embedded analytics, machine learning, and SAP DataSphere Rising. Anyone who can connect data to decisions will be in high demand. Fifth, SAP change and adoption lead. As transformation speeds up, companies need experts who can drive change, training, and user adoption, especially in global rollouts. Sixth, SAP freelance consultant, coach. More experts are going solo, delivering niche services, leading workshops, and building online products. If you brand yourself well, this is a gold mine. These aren't just new roles, they're upgrades of what exists today. If you're an FISDMM or ABAP, you can evolve into these roles. What matters is learning to combine your SAP core with modern tools, business value, and soft skills. Bonus tip: roles focused only on technical customization may decline. Companies now prefer config plus extension over hardcore Z coding. The SAP Career Guide includes role maps, trending skills, and how to evolve from your current role to a future-proof one. Download it in the description. So, will SAP still matter in 2030? Absolutely, but only if you evolve with it. SAP isn't just surviving, it's transforming. S/4, HANA, BTP, AI, and industry-specific solutions are changing the game. But here's the truth. The system is only as strong as the consultants behind it. If you want to be part of SAP's next chapter, keep learning. Get comfortable with change. Focus on business impact, not just technical tasks. Don't just be an SAP consultant. Be an SAP innovator. That's who will thrive in 2030. What's next? Download the SAP Career Guide in the description. It includes role pathways, skill checklists, resume plus interview templates, and exclusive career strategies for 2025 to 2030. Like the video? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more weekly SAP career tips. Thanks for watching SAP Academy, your roadmap to SAP success.